So Greg passed a DM to the Cyclist Crypt the other day saying, "It never gets easier, you just go faster." Well, listen, Gregory, if you can go faster, it means you've been riding too slow all your life.
Does the Red crank contain a hidden swastika? Or is it just plain cyclist crypt paranoia?
So you took a local com? Well, congrats, you're now the fastest unemployed guy in town. So Winston wrote a DM to the Cyclist Crypt the other day saying, "Success is going from failure to failure with enthusiasm." Well, in that case, Vincent, I hope you are riding bleeding slow. Or even better, just start obeying your thirst.
This ain't an e-bike, it's the electric wheelchair that will roll you into the sunset of your cyclist days.
Usos passed a message to the Cyclist Crypt the other day saying, "Sponsor yourself," which is cute because it saves the world from sponsoring your failure.